British Columbia is an exciting and wondrous place to visit. When traveling in British Columbia, keep the following helpful tips in mind. British Columbia is located on the western coast of Canada and is easily accessible by all major air routes. Situated directly above Washington and just west of Alberta, British Columbia is a temperate coastal landmass completely surrounded by envy. For British Columbia travel destinations, call your travel agent or check the Supernatural British Columbia website.